What's up guys, we are back with another video and we made it back home with the Q from Gatlinburg. I know you guys can probably see we got a spare on the car. Man, we was going through it and I'm not gonna lie, but we made it home. We're gonna get that fixed up. But in today's video, we're gonna be molding the fender on the G. We may or may not do both fenders. We're just gonna see how far we get today. But we're definitely gonna start on this passenger side. First things first, we're gonna sand the top of the kit down just to make it a little bit more smooth, and then when we add the bondo we can get more into smoothing it out, and hopefully we can get that all finished up today. Gatlinburg was a crazy event. I mean, the vibes were insane down there. If you guys didn't go to Gat, make sure you guys go there next year. It was ridiculous. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get straight into it. But we're about to get started. We're about to move the G in the garage, and hopefully we can make a lot of progress today. And this would be part 3 of installing my Widebody kit, and today we're going to be doing molding. Alright guys, so we are starting to sand the kit, trying to get it as smooth as possible to the car, so when we bondo it makes it a lot easier. So that's what we're going to work on, and I'll set the camera, let you guys see me pretty much blend it in. All the way sanded. I'm going to start adding the bondo. Just got it as smooth as possible. I'm going to open up this fiberglass. So this is exactly how much we got to use on the pan. I'm about to measure it real quick, see how much hardware we need. About 3 inches.
What you thinking?
Making progress. Probably one more layer of bondo and that should be good. Getting it smoother and smoother.
Dummy, I ain't gonna lie, yo. This shit look good.
Looking better. Got a little bit more work to do today, but it's looking good so far. Pretty smooth. Alright guys, I just wanted to put a piece on. This isn't the color we're going to be doing, but I just wanted to see how the body work was looking. And as you guys can see, it's a little wavy, a couple spots. So we're going to come back and fix all of that. But man, this thing looked crazy. Alright guys, we wrapped the fender just to see what it looks like as far as the body lines. We got a little bit more sanding and smoothing out to do in this area, but I mean, this thing definitely is turning out crazy. I can't wait to finish this car. Sheesh, the wide body looking crazy.